student, welcome all of you on our YouTube channel. Students, today we discuss the lecture number 4 for BSc third year student. BSc third year paper is linear algebra and paper number is 13. Semester 5th semester, there is same semester 5th semester, and lecture number is 4th. So in lecture 3rd we have discussed about what is meant by ring with some examples. What is meant by ring? No types of ring, but here we discuss some types of rings. So before discussing types of rings, we just revise the definition of a ring. You can revise it. Pausing this video, you can revise what is meant by ring. Okay, yourself. So I have wrote here this. So what is meant by ring? So R with any non-empty set with two binary operation. One is plus and other is dot. Whatever plus and whatever the dot. But we take it as plus and dot, that is a product. So R plus is an abelian group. This set is abelian group with respect to plus sign, and R dot, that means with respect to multiplication or product, this R dot is semigroup. This R dot is semigroup. When we say that R plus is an abelian group, R plus is an abelian group, so it satisfies 4 conditions. First is closure property, AB belongs to R. Second is A plus B is equal to B plus A. Third property is there exists identity property. Next is the inverse property. A dot A inverse is equal to A inverse dot A is equal to E. And fifth is associative property. B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So all these properties satisfy when we say that R plus is an abelian group. Then R dot is a semigroup. R dot semigroup means with respect to dot satisfy 2 conditions. One is the A dot B is equal to A dot B belongs to R, and associative property B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C. So all these property 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 satisfy when R plus is an abelian and R dot is semigroup. Then this is a left distributive, and this is a right distributive law. Now we discuss what is meant by commutative ring. What is meant by commutative ring? So any ring R plus dot be the any ring satisfying property A dot B is equal to B dot A. That means commutative law with respect to multiplication or with respect to product. Commutative law with respect to product, if this condition satisfied by the ring, then we say that ring is commutative ring. So what is the difference between the associative ring and commutative ring? So in commutative ring, there is one additional property satisfied by that set, and that property is commutative property. Commutative property satisfied by the set. So A dot B is equal to B dot A for all the AB belongs to D. Now we discuss Z plus dot set of integers is the commutative ring with usual addition and multiplication. So this is a commutative ring. So in commutative ring, all properties of the ring is same as associative ring. Only one additional properties is there, and that is commutative law with respect to whatever the multiplication. That means second operation, second binary operation. This is the ring R plus and dot. This is the ring. So what is commutative ring? So with this binary operation, A dot B is equal to B dot A, that is commutative law satisfy for all the AB belongs to R. And example is, first class example is Z plus dot. That means set of integer. And what is this plus? Plus is usual addition. What is the dot? Dot is usual multiplication. So in set of integer, this is the set of integer, Z is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. If we have to discuss this, then then automatically all the property should be satisfied by this side. And one additional property is A dot B is equal to B dot A. Yes, 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3 in set of integer with usual multiplication. So this condition, this property satisfy by the set Z plus dot. So this is a commutative ring. Now we discuss one example, that is not commutative, non-commutative ring. See here, M be the set of matrices. Now this is the set of matrices of 2 by 2 order, but such a way that this first column and first row first column and second row first column, the element at that position must be 0, and there is a first row second column and first row second row first column, whatever the element be there, and that is AB belongs to R, is non-commutative ring. It is a ring, no doubt, but it is non-commutative ring. Now how we can prove it? What is the example? This M be the set of integer. Which type? M be the set of all matrices such that having this first column must be 0, and add the second column whatever the elements, जो भी रियल नंबर आएंगे, whatever the elements ये भी 0 हो सकेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अब इसमें पूरे मैट्रिसेस हमें लेने पड़ेंगे जो इस फॉर्मेट में बैठते, तो ये रिंग रहेगा फर्स्ट क्लास, लेकिन ये कम्यूटेटिव रिंग नहीं. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने एक मैट्रिसेस लिया, ए इज इक्वल टू 0 0 ए बी, और एनी नंबर लेता हूं मैं यहाँ पे 2 3, और बी इज इक्वल टू 0 0 1 1. अब यहाँ के मैं ए बी का प्रोडक्ट किया, ए इंटू बी, सो 0 0 2 3 0 0 1 1, दोनों का प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, फर्स्ट रो सेकेंड कॉलम, देन सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, और सेकेंड रो दिस कॉलम. One thing is that I take here 2, here 2, then we get 6. Okay. Now I compute PA. So PA is 0 0 1 2 0 0 2 3 is equal to, this is 0 and this 3, this is 0 and this is 6. First row first column, first row second column, and second row first column and second row second column. So this AB product is not equal to BA. So this is ring. This is R plus is an abelian. Here R plus is an abelian. R dot is a semi group, R plus is an abelian, and left distributive and right distributive also satisfy, but this property not satisfy, that is commutative property not satisfied by this set M, that is set of matrices of 2 by 2 order. So this is a non-commutative ring. So this is first types of the ring, that is the non-commutative ring. Now next ring is ring with unity. There is again one properties we add one property, that is ring with unity. So what is ring with unity? Any ring R plus dot is a ring with unity. Ring with unity means having unit element. Having unit element. There exists and the element E belongs to R such that A dot E is equal to E dot A is equal to A for all A belongs to R. There exists the identity element E and satisfy this condition which we have already discussed. So such a type of ring is called ring with unity. Some examples are given, ring with unity. So this is very simple and regular example, that is Z plus dot is the ring with unity. Z means set of integer, and in set of integer one play as an important role of unit element. One play the role of identity element. Now next example is given that set of even integers. If we discuss on the set of even integer, E is equal to 0, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, and so on. This is the set of integer. So in this set of integer, this is a commutative ring, no doubt. This is commutative ring. All properties satisfy. R plus is an abelian. R plus abelian. Yes, R plus abelian. Then R dot is semi-group. Yes, left distributive, right distributive. All conditions satisfy. Then A dot B is equal to B dot A. Yes, take any two numbers and take its product. Order is immaterial. Either 2 into 3 or 3 into 2. Both will be same. Both must be same. So therefore, this example of set of even integers is commutative ring, first class commutative ring, but it has no identity element with respect to multiplication. So here in set of integer there is a one play role of identity element with respect to multiplication, but there is no identity element like that. A into A is equal to A into A is equal to A, and so therefore this set of even integer is not, it is commutative ring but not a unit or not a ring with unit element, and this is a ring with unit element. So students, you try to collect some examples from BSc second year class of ring with unit element. So in next lecture we discuss the next step, and we are going toward the field, that is the new algebraic structures. So in next video we will discuss on what is meant by field as Q field. Okay, so thank you so much.